Okay, so the packaging is nice. Looks like the camera is covered well. Very light, I will say that, and it feels pretty small. Okay, and this is what we've got. It's got the Wosoda name brand on the bottom of it, and it's very light, like I said, very small. And we're going to go ahead and open this guy up. Okay, on the inside, looks like we've got a cartridge of some type. Oh, it even comes with batteries. That's cool, and they're Energizer batteries too. The other thing I noticed about these trail cameras compared to my other trail cameras that I like is it only takes 4 AA batteries instead of 8. And this looks like a little stand here. And we've got several other trail cameras that we use. In fact, I'll show you some pictures of some shots we got with each one. And then we've got you always got to have one of these, strap it around a tree or some stationary object to keep the camera from moving around. And then finally we've got SD card in here. Cool. I'll tell you what kind it is. It is a 32 gigabyte. Our other cameras have the standard size SD cards in them. All right, and then we've got our instruction book, which I'm always bad about looking through. So I'm going to go ahead and read this instruction book and put everything together, and then we'll let you know what we see. Okay, so we've got our batteries in, and right here is where this little micro SD card is going to go. And then up here we've got a switch that we can switch to AIM, and then I can start setting the date and time, image resolution, video, all of that good stuff. And then finally we're going to put the switch to on, and that will have the trail cam ready to go as soon as we get it up around a tree. So we'll put this micro SD card in, and then we'll follow the rest of the steps. Okay, we put the switch to AIM, which is just 1 click up, and we got a little screen here coming up. Before we go any further, another thing to note is they recommend that you format the micro SD card first. So I had to hit the menu button right here. So I'm on the menu mode. I'm going to go ahead and format the micro SD card. I just access the menu with this button down here. You got your up arrows and down arrows. You hit OK. I set the date and the time to the correct date and time, and also set all of my intervals for photos and for video. You have choices on that, what kind of quality you want. I went mid-range with just about everything. So now we've got the camera ready, and then we're going to mount it on a tree. Okay, so the strap that it comes with is very easy to use. You can see here we've got it strapped around this pine tree. We've got our camera pointing out this way, and what we're hoping to do is at least pick up some deer so we can show you how the camera works. But go ahead and come on in close and I'll show you. So you just unsnap these 2 snaps here to set the camera up, and then right here on the side we've got a little switch. We're just going to turn it onto AIM so I can make sure everything looks good. It's got the correct time and the correct date and everything on here, because I set that earlier.
4 AA batteries.
And now I'm going to turn it to on. So I just flip that switch up.
Oh, and it has a card in it, right?
And it does have a card in it. Good thing you
that.
pointed that out. It's right there in there. So
An SD card.
now we're going to go ahead and snap these back. We're going to leave this guy here for a week. We'll see what happens. So as you just saw, the video quality on these trail cams is very, very good. It's excellent in my opinion. We have 3 other types of trail cams that I'm going to show you if you stay tuned on this video to compare with the quality of this one. What I like about this one is you get 3 in a package at a time. I'll put a link in our description so that you can get these as well. It's an affiliate link for Amazon. That's where we got these trail cams as well. And I think you're going to love them. Now, just for comparison, I'll show you 3 other cameras that we have purchased in the past and the pictures that we've got from those as well. So stay tuned. Don't leave the video yet. There's more coming. So this is the first camera that we got. And I'll show you what kind of pictures we've got from this guy. And it uses the bigger SD card. This was my second camera, and I'll show you what kind of stuff we've got on this one, and it also uses the bigger cards. And then I'll use this camera. This was my third choice. I got 2 of these, and I will show you what kind of pictures we've got from this one. It also uses a larger SD card. So I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you find the right trail cam. Affiliated links are in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss a Rockin' the Retired Life product review or travel adventure. And have a great summer. I'll see you in the next video.